Today, we're diving into something that we use every single day, but most of us don't really know how it works: the internet. We'll cover who invented it, how it works behind the scenes, and where it's headed in the future. Let's get started. The internet is a global network of computers and devices connected together to share information. It lets us browse websites, stream videos, message people, play games, and basically run modern life. But think of the internet not as a single thing, but more like a massive system of cables, routers, satellites, servers, and software working together to send data across the world, instantly. The internet wasn't created by one genius overnight. It evolved over decades. Here's a quick timeline. In the 1960s, ARPANET, the US Department of Defense, created ARPANET, the first network to connect computers. It was designed to allow information sharing, even if part of the system went down, important during the Cold War. In the 1970s, TCP/IP protocols Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn developed TCP/IP, the language computers use to talk to each other over networks. It's still used today. In 1989, the World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, invented the World Wide Web, which introduced websites, hyperlinks, and browsers, basically the internet as we know it. So, ARPANET was the skeleton, TCP/IP was the brain, and the web was the face. Let's break it down simply. When you open a website, your device sends a request to a server, a powerful computer that stores data, like YouTube or Google. That request travels through your router, into cables, fiber optics, phone lines, or undersea cables, and bounces through data centers around the world. The server then sends the requested information, like a video or web page, back to you, all in milliseconds. And if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, the signal still connects to these physical cables through a nearby cell tower or router. Fun fact: over 99% of international internet traffic travels through undersea fiber optic cables. Servers. Think of them as the storage units of the internet. ISPs, or Internet Service Providers, are companies like Comcast, Airtel, Jio, or Verizon that connect you to the internet. Data centers are huge facilities that host websites, apps, and cloud storage. Protocols are sets of rules like HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, and so on that make communication possible. It's a layered system built for speed, reliability, and scalability. At 20, you're probably doing more than just watching YouTube, streaming music, movies, and shows, online shopping and banking, using cloud storage like Google Drive or iCloud, learning through online courses, managing social media, working remotely or freelancing, even controlling smart devices at home. The internet has become the backbone of the global economy, from communication to education, healthcare, and entertainment. It's not just laptops and phones anymore. The Internet of Things refers to everyday objects like smartwatches, thermostats, fridges, and even cars being connected to the internet. This allows for automation, remote control, and data collection. For example, your smartwatch tracks your heart rate and syncs it to a health app. Your fridge can notify you when you're low on milk. A smart doorbell lets you see who's at the door even when you're not home. The internet is still evolving. Here's what's next: 5G and 6G offering faster, lower latency mobile networks, AI integration leading to smarter search engines, content recommendations, and personal assistance, Web3 and decentralization giving users more control and privacy, the metaverse, virtual worlds powered by the internet, and global coverage with projects like Starlink aiming to bring internet to even the most remote areas using satellites. Because the internet isn't just a place to scroll, it's shaping the world. Jobs, education, news, democracy, and innovation. Understanding how it works gives you an edge in any field, tech or not. So now you know the internet is a massive evolving system, not magic. It's powered by cables, servers, and code. It was built by many brilliant minds over decades, and it's only going to grow bigger and smarter. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Why, When, How AI for more awesome videos like this.